so I'm so sorry this vlog has been, I'm just pausing this real quick. I'm so sorry this vlog has been all over the place. My life has been all over the place, but hopefully it's Sunday. Oops, sorry about that. I'm going to start off another vlog probably like tonight going into tomorrow. I'm going to start trying to do some weekly vlogs. I think like that would just be better, or try to like from Monday to Wednesday and Wednesday to Sunday. I think. Let me know what y'all think about that. I'm gonna already start doing it by the time you see this, but let me know. Right now I'm going to edit my finish editing my couch video because I'm done with everything that I had to do. So like I can jump into finishing the couch because I started the couch video. Guys, I have a piece of drama in my life. Oh my goodness. But this is my couch. People on Patreon already saw this couch. This is what my couch is looking like against my wall. I bought some picture frames from Amazon, and mommy's gonna ship them down for me. And I also bought some clothes from Pretty Little Thing, which I'll be doing a try on haul because some of you guys said you want to see me do some try on hauls. And then I'll also be doing my hair care routine. I'm trying to get my edges back. You see how my edges are thinning out? Yeah, they thinning out. They thinning a little bit too much out. But like right here, like my hairline has always been like that. In, out, in, out. And I have a very minute widow's peak. It used to be a little bit more noticeable. It used to be a little bit more noticeable. But it's a widow's. You see the W? W. So it will speak. It's not as far down as some people's. But yeah, so I'm gonna go edit this video. I also have a piercing video that I want to get up. So what I'm gonna do right now, let me switch this around. You guys can see a little bit more of the house. I swear my house tour video is coming, guys. Just please bear with me. Like I said, I just need to get a couple more pieces, and then I'm just gonna show you guys what I got going on. Thank you guys so much for watching this very, very, very scrambled weekly vlog. I think it's been like probably a week and a half or a couple weeks, but yeah, bye. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I really, really hope you enjoyed. And this is what my life is like at any moment. It's just very different. So don't think that, girl, what's going on? That is literally what's going on. Like, my life is very scrambled. But anyways, I keep rambling. Bye. All right, hi guys, welcome to the vlog. So my couch, this leg is very lean. I just tried to screw it out and screw it back in, and that didn't help. So I'm looking and I'm seeing that this one over on this side is kind of lean. So I'm seeing maybe I just put the wrong leg on. I'm gonna switch the legs, and if that doesn't help, because it's not standing straight, it's crooked. So I'm gonna see if me switching the legs will help. Which hopefully it does, because girl, if it doesn't help, I took pictures already. I'm just gonna go to court and be like, listen, this leg is lean. And my mom, I was just talking to my mom, and she's like, y'all did not spend that much money on the couch for the leg to be lean. Okay? So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. We'll see. I'm gonna flip it over. Put it down. Now let's see. Well, you guys are in the dark. Hold on. It's still crooked. Okay, I'm gonna take a picture and I'm gonna go to courts and I'm gonna show you, because that's a pet peeve of mine. It's broken. I'm gonna show you guys. So guys, see what I'm talking about? It's basically crooked right there. That's a pet peeve. It should not look like that. I've switched the legs. It doesn't work. It should look like, hold on. Oh my god. Oh my god. the wall needs to be painted properly. They should look like that. So it shouldn't look like that. Okay? Yeah. Alright guys, so my video is up. I'm gonna try to get caught up with all my vlogs. Let me turn this volume down. I've already responded back to a couple comments. So make sure you try to get up in the comment section first because I try to respond back ASAP. I'm gonna get ready and go on the road. I might just go to a coffee shop and edit. I have 2 videos up in my Final Cut Pro. Y'all not gonna see these videos for a minute. You're not gonna see this video for a minute. But I have an ear piercing video. I have a weekly vlog video too that I think I really want to edit. So me and Sash got our ear pierced. This is the intro.
Bossy, Godfather, man a OG, man a half humble, man a bossy. Bring a rag a rhythm like it's all free. Bossy, house on the coast.
So make sure you guys are gonna check out that video. I'll try to link it in the description box. If it's not in the description box, just go to my channel and check out my videos. It's there. It's definitely up before this one. Again, please like, comment, and subscribe. Like I said, I'm gonna go get ready. I think I'm gonna try to dress like cute and everything. And guys, if these videos are like this long, watch 30 seconds and then skip. Y'all don't gotta watch the whole thing. Watch 30 seconds and then skip. I think that will still help. If you want to watch the whole thing because you love me like that and you support my channel, thank you. But I'm gonna go get ready and then I'm gonna see you guys in like less than a second. Okay guys, this is what my outfit. Turn on the light. What the hell? Oh, wrong light. This is what my outfit's looking like. I'm wearing my little this shoes. That's short against the yellow wall. It's so cute. I love it. Yeah, it's a mule and I'm wearing my little jacket because I'm gonna go to a little coffee shop, and if I get cold I want to be able to, you know, throw it over my shoulders but not really put my arms through. But yeah, and this is my couch and my window because you guys have already seen my couch, so I don't feel any way showing you guys. So we can sit and have a little girl chat one of these days. Ooh, girl.
Turn left onto Barbican Road. Continue on Barbican Road for 1.5 kilometers.
God, guys, I completely forgot to show you guys, but I did not finish. Right now I'm drinking the icy lemonade. It's my favorite drink to get when I come here. Like, it's absolute favorite drink to get when I come here. I'm eating, I think it's called like the Southwestern omelet right now, and I'm eating some French toast, regular toast, and I think this is just the maple syrup and butter. I have some bacon, so this is amazing. And I'm going to oops, I'm just gonna have to block that out. I'm writing my email. I'm almost done with my email. I'm just gonna put my deliverables. I think I saw a flyer. There's just gonna put my deliverables right after this, which is like right here, and then I'll be done and I'm gonna Alright guys, so I just wanted to show you what the place is looking like on the outside. So that's where I was, right in here. And this is Sovereign North. Yeah, it's a really nice little plaza. They have Domino's and that little eye place. Yeah, there's also like a wine place right here, and there's Devon House ice cream and some Asian restaurants. So it's cute. Look at TJ. Okay guys, I stopped by Fontana really quickly. I have to talk quickly because the music's playing in the background. But this is the Fontana at Bicana, and it's actually so cute. I only came here for Kai, but I don't see the thing that she wanted, so I just was walking around a little bit. But anyways, like I said, I gotta go because I can't be talking. Bye. It just won't stop to go just dropped out of my hand. You should have heard me. I looked around. I'm like, did anybody see me? One girl saw me that worked here, and I was like, it's okay, it's cool. But it's not broken. It just loosened up the candle out of it, which is good for me, I guess. I just wanted to put it down so I could record something cute, and now I don't even feel like doing it. But I'm gonna record it still and show you guys. Guys, this is probably the most Halloween costumes I've seen anywhere in Jamaica. So if you want to get some Halloween costumes, come to Fontana at Barbican. Because, I mean, it's a lot of men costumes, but I guess they're unisex, really, if you choose to wear them. Either way. But wow. I guess it's for the demographic of the area, so it makes sense. I should get that mask. Either the scare mask or the clown mask. That'd be very cool. It just won't stop to go I didn't even know they had things like this. It's a screen splatter, so it protects your skin and kitchen from splattering oil. I didn't even know they had something like this, guys. I'm gonna have to come back and get this. It's only $4.99, but this is not what I came for. I need it because my stove is always messing up and it's so annoying. Whoa. Anyways, I'll be back. Guys, isn't this cute? I don't know, it's like a bug, so it might look weird, but it's actually pretty cool. Like, it's a cool thing. I don't know how much it might be. I'm gonna put this in my lap real quick, and I have a feeling. Whoa, that's why. It's not that expensive, it's just but it's worth it. I would buy this. This is just unique. Cool. So far I got lights and candles. And that's all. Look, guys, little golem, not golem, ghost, ghoul. That's what I was looking for, ghoul. I'm like, it starts with a G, but it's not Gollum. Gollum is from Lord of the Rings. All right, guys. I did not come here for none of this. I didn't come here for any of this. We'll see what I can get. And see, they got some LA Girl. Hello. Hello. No, thank you. Just looking. How much are the LA Girl concealers? $5.99 plus tax? $6. You heard that? These are like $1 at the beauty supply store. This is basically a bougie beauty supply store. Yeah, I do need some new brushes. Yeah. There's a MAC counter, I think, somewhere in Jamaica. I just can't remember specifically where. I think it's by Sovereign. Sovereign, the actual bigger Sovereign place. But their MAC is expensive. The dollar has dropped a lot, so a lot of this is cheaper than what they normally are. I need some setting powder. I should get Benai, but I think I'd have to get that online. See, this is what I'm not sure about. This has talc. And I don't think that's good for your skin. There's something that's not good. People put mercury, like the white stuff. Well, not that mercury is white, but there's this white thing that people put on their face that's just not good for their skin. This is a primer. I'm not face primer. I don't even do my makeup that often. I barely go out. I don't know what to buy. There's some lip liners for $459. I think it's probably like $2 US around there. Oh, please do not open products. Yeah, because some people be nasty in opening products. But yeah, they got basically drugstore makeup. Black Radiance is a really nice brand though. I like Black Radiance. I like their eyeliner. I think it's this. Oh, this is Wet n Wild. This is not bad. It's not a bad eyeliner either. But this one isn't bad. This one is actually really good. Black Radiance has some nice products, and they have nice lipsticks. Not these like ugly colors though, but like when it comes to these deep browns and burgundies, they do a real good job. Alright guys, so y'all saw I always come in here and I don't get anything, so I got a little bit of stuff tonight. There's no need for a haul, but I might do a haul tonight when I'm unpacking. But I want to end off today's vlog. Since it's a weekly vlog, I don't want it to be too long. Check your surroundings when you're coming in your car. I always try to look around. I always try to look around. And I jump in the car, put my key in, lock my door. If I lock my door before I put my key in, my car is gonna go off because my car is a bad itch like that. Hold on, I'm about to turn this on and put you guys. I won't really. Oopsies. Yeah, you're barely seeing me. But I need to pee. I have to get home. I just got some Christmas lights. I got some candles, and I just got a wine. That's all, folks. This is the wine I got. Whoop, whoop, whoop. It's some cost-effective wine. And I got just some small candles. They smell okay. They're cute. I got it for the packaging, but they smell good. And then this is the Christmas light. I'm sorry you're barely seeing me, but this is the Christmas light that I got. Yeah. Alright, I'm about to go home because I want to be home right now. Guys, I've been sitting in traffic for how long? Because look, they dig up the road and just leave it. Because I'm saying, like, I thought, don't quote me, but I thought I heard something about construction people being allotted like time after curfew hours to keep going with construction, especially with things like the road. Like, these are things people are paying their tax money on. Why is this not done? Like, nobody should be on the road from this video today, October 26th, from 9 p.m. until I believe 5 a.m. I feel like that's more than enough time for them to take like a whole week and just knock it out and be done with it. Like, what the heck? This is so unacceptable. I can't. Oh my goodness. Like,
One debt to society later.
like, because with the broken card I'm like, see, they don't and
A little longer than a few minutes later.
I will open my eyes. And it's not. It was on that piece of stretch. That 1 minute. Alright, I'm done. Obviously, I was in my feelings. But still, and then...
Well, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
Okay, guys, I've lit the candle. And this is my dining room table, by the way. There's a lot of stuff on here because I had to clean out one of my cabinets. So I had to take out, like, a bunch of stuff. So it's on the table. But my plants are normally here. Ooh, it's hot. It's hot. But isn't it so cute? With the little stars, little gold stars, and I got my glass of wine out here. I'll repot these when the time comes. Let me grab my glass of wine. Yeah. I need coasters because that can't happen. But whatever. Yeah, this is the table that I spray painted black. I have a little yeah, whatever. It's only because I'm in the holiday chair that I'm showing you all of this. Good morning, guys. So it is Tuesday, October 27th. Halloween is next week. I started watching some Halloween movies like 2 weeks ago, and I watched like 6 movies and I was over. But I haven't watched my faves yet, so I'm gonna have to do that. And I haven't even started watching The Grinch yet. Normally I start watching The Grinch around now. Yeah. My nails are still holding up. Yeah. And I have something on my face. This pimple. I washed my face, but this is how my skin is actually looking. Yeah, so I have some rice weevils. It's gross. It's actually really gross. That's my potting soil right there. And then my little plant. I had it out all yesterday because she needed some sun, but now she acting all funny. I'm just have to figure it out. I don't know if I like this spot. But I don't really like it anywhere else, so I'm gonna just have to see what I'm doing. I've opened up all the windows. It's kind of overcast, a little bit cloudy. But yeah, like I was saying, I got some rice weevils and I'm gonna put them in some plastic. I think I'm gonna just try to go get some big plastic bags and put it in the freezer, because I heard like if you freeze your rice, it can like kill all the little things in it. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring it outside. I'm gonna freeze it for a couple days, and then I'm gonna bring it outside and like put it in another container. Yeah.
Acquisition, where one of the tenants acquires a greater interest than that of his co-tenants. We looked at partition, and we spoke about the fact that the tenants...
I was like, ooh. Guys are at the supermarket. I came to get some food because I'm over here starving. Let me show you what I'm getting. Class finished. I don't remember what the last thing you guys saw is, but hey, we're here. I'm getting some steak. And I'm getting some filet. I'm getting some chicken tenders. I'm getting fudge brownie mix. Yeah. I'm getting, I need some baking powder because I'm gonna bake some of the plantain that I got into a plantain bread. Got some potato and some cheese for the brekkie. And then I got some chocolate. And yeah, if I need it. Sorry. I'm gonna just put this in here. You're not going, it's empty, right? Alright. Let these go last. If the chocolate isn't too expensive, I'm gonna get a couple. These gotta go first. Alright guys, so I'm back home. I'm about to actually cook something. I'm gonna do some more steak. This time I know like how long to keep it on, so I'm not gonna burn it as much, but I didn't really burn it. It was perfect for me. And I'm also gonna do some fudge brownies, so yeah, and watch some Netflix.
I can come pick you up.
I'm going back to Lexington. I need to be alone.
That is the opposite of what you need.
As much as I was thinking, and there's a bit too much oil, but we're gonna see how it looks. Don't judge this by the cover, okay?
Pulling out the coupe in the lot, order for 12 for SWAT, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box.
Alright guys, so I'm at Bert's. I need to come get some stuff for the taxi before I go upstairs. Bert's, yeah. So I'll be right back. Class is going on in the background. I'm listening. I just want to show you guys that I got some drinks and some patty. I got one cheese patty, and then the other two I got were beef. Reason being, I'm gonna show you guys. Cause look, girl, I'm about to cut open my beef and put my cheese in it myself. Alright, I'm about to eat this and then I'll talk to y'all later. And then I'm gonna get back to class, so nothing more to see here. Good morning guys, it's 4:24 on October. The day will come up because I think it's the 20, it's definitely Thursday. So let me do process of elimination. I don't remember the previous days, but Sunday is the 31st. And if today's Thursday, that means Sunday. Today's the 28th. I'm really not that good at math. I could have subtracted that and everything, but my mind is just not there. It's too early. Anyways, I'm going to country just to drop off some stuff. Don't mind my hair. Oh my god, do not mind it. I showered and everything. I'm about to get dressed. I have to meet one of the drivers in Spanish Town. So I'm going to have to do that right now. I actually have to go like right now. Alright guys, so I'm at the gas station because I figured out, you guys don't know this, but my car was making some noise and I figured out why I was making some noise, and I just need to get something from the gas station. So I think the gas station opens at 6. It's 6. I walked up at like 5:58 and he was like, we'll open soon. And I was like, okay. So I'm just out here. I'm just gonna drive through Old Harbor. I think I know where I'm going. I think But anyways, this is what I'm looking like. Period. Guys, I don't know what to do with my hair. Well, I want to start wearing my wig again, but I need to get my hair cane rolled, and that ain't not happening. Guys, what's over here? The grass looks greener on the other side. This is Jamaica Broilers group of companies. Wow. The black fence, you missed most of it, but the black fence and the green grass, whew, that looks real good. Anyways, we're driving through Old Harbor now. I've decided to take the no toll route. I have never driven no toll from, you know, like Kingston, St. Catherine to basically country. So I'm gonna see what it's looking like. So now I just went through Old Harbor, the town of Old Harbor. Just gonna follow this road. And why the man that looks sad? Jesus, he's like very sad. Yeah. So if you like the weekly vlogs so far, let me know what y'all think about it, and then I'll just start doing weekly vlogs, and then I'll start also incorporating, because mommy sent out the package, so I really want to do a try on haul for my Pretty Little Things items that I bought. So trust and believe, if the support is there and if that video goes well, when Black Friday come, I'm spending a whole bank, I'm spending a rack, I'm spending a Birkin bag on Pretty Little I'm just kidding, but we're gonna have to make that money. We'll have to make that money. So I had to pass that other vehicle because he was just driving way too slow for my liking. But yeah, I don't know what road this is, but we're somewhere. It's the right road, I know that.
I know that's right. I know that's right, bitch.
Yeah. I miss country. I swear I'd be in Warsaw more often if there was Wi-Fi, because I can't be there and do my videos. I mean, I can be there and film my videos, but it won't get uploaded. And that's not gonna work out. And then I got the taxi business that I have to run up here. Bruh. Alrighty, I'm gonna go back to listening to some music, and then I'm gonna segue into some more driving footage. Alright guys, so we're on our way into Maypen now. I want to pass this truck when the road's clear, which is now. And I'm passing on the white dotted line, so y'all can't be no snitch, because I ain't break no laws. Oh, the fence. Hold on.
The roundabout.
Guys, I didn't know, like,
Continue for 30 kilometers.
that was so easy. I'm about to turn the GPS off now because I didn't know Old Arbor Way, but that was so easy. If I leave out, I think I'm gonna start doing that because that road was just a little bit more fun. Not like, I don't know, the toll roads, yeah, it's nice and fast and whatever, but it can be a little boring sometimes. And it's really only because I wanted a different scenery and I had to meet the taxi driver in Spanish Town. So, wow, that was actually that was a lot simpler than I thought. That was fun. I know it's weird to say it was fun, but like the toll roads be kind of boring. And it didn't feel like the time difference was, I think my GPS said it was 9 minutes slower. That's it, 9 minutes. Wow. I'm gonna start doing that more often. I might take it going back. We'll see how I feel. Alright guys, so I'm in Christiana now. Sorry about that. Yeah, this is my favorite parking spot. This is where I always come to park. I took off my hoodie because I'm like, I'm getting hot. Now I'm getting cold. Anyways guys, I'll be right back. So guys, I'm here with Grandpa at the market. Just gonna get some stuff to bring up. Tomato, more scallion, onion, and ginger, more everything. I don't have nothing. Nobody in there though. Them they're small.
Them wicked out. Them are wicked this one.
Oh my God. Huh?
Them are wicked this one.
That's not. Alright. We got sweet potato, onion. Huh? Body eye? And a carrot.
Get blind bag.
Make call them and find out for you and let you know.
You should maybe go for
Okay, so now we're in Juicy Patties. Grandpa, he gave us his seat for the ladies. Huh? Right there? Alright, Grandpa. Yeah. I hope you can hear me and not the this. I'm going to get chicken for Grandma, cheese for me, cheese for Philly, and red pea soup for Grandpa. Guys, you know what kind of fruit that's? Show you guys. Nice, right? I'm a cousin. Guys, I am on my way back to town. Yeah, rain is coming down a little bit. It's drizzling, so I'm really trying to get out of it. And watch out now. Look, I'm gonna go open the mouth and rain start falling here. But I'm actually I try to get out of it because it's supposed to rain all day into the weekend. So we'll see how that goes. So most likely won't see you guys until, here I go again making promises. I most likely won't see you guys until I reach back home. One of my fingernails is hurting. My bucket up somewhere and it's a hurt. One of the fingernail, the pinky them, you already know that gone already. So I might stop by the nail place just to see if they can throw on like 2 new nails or whatever, because I literally just got these done. They're not that bad yet. We'll see. So when I get over there, if I go that way, I'll share that with you. But if not, I'm really just gonna just enjoy the journey home. You've seen this 1,001 times. Go watch some of my country videos. Just go to my YouTube channel and search in my video list for country, and a bunch of country vlogs will come up if you want to drive out. Yeah, but for now I'm gonna just focus on the road and enjoy some music and try to beat the rain. Yeah. Whew. All right guys, bye. I also bought some ground provisions. I'm gonna buy some sweet potato, I'm gonna buy sweet potato, onion and tomato. There wasn't much people out, like there wasn't much of anybody out. I think there was literally like 6 people out today, so not never really did it for buy, because I wanted to buy some carrots and thyme and scallion, but trust me, it never did it. Only one lady made me get the tomato because their tomato they look good and everybody else tomato did pop down, but the man they said come back tomorrow, but I'm going up. So if anything, we just go a Coral and see if I can get anything. Coronation Market on Saturday. I also still want to do my juices, so be on the lookout for that. I have 1 juice down. I need to get 3 more juices under my list, and then I'll be selling fresh juice delivered by yours truly. To fix my nails. In fact, I took one off because it was hurting, but boom, I got my filet going on, and I got my mashed potato going on, and I got my tomatoes over in the corner that I'm about to cut up. But guys, I'm so proud of me. Just look at it, it's popping over there. Pop. So I'm about to share it out and I'm about to eat. I think I'm just gonna go with the biggest slice first, and then like I might come back for seconds, or I might save it for breakfast tomorrow. But I'm so excited to eat my mashed potato too. Like, look at that. I just love it. 2 of them are old, so like the darker yellow pieces that you're seeing is the other 2 that were just a little bit hard. So like I cooked it for a really long time, but they're still kind of hard, so they're not like as mashed as the rest. As you can tell, it looks like corn, but it's not corn in it. You get what I'm saying? Let me do this. Wow, look at it. I hope y'all ate something. I should have put a warning. But anyways, there's flies lurking and I want to eat my food in peace. So bye guys. truck. You can't even see it. You can't even see it. Because he parked a while ago. Pulled up next to me like this close to my car. And I'm like, for a parking spot that don't nobody want because we all just trying to cut through this plaza? What? You could have been at that spot like right now. But he did all that. And at the end of the day, I was just like, I just hope you have insurance. Because I do. Wow. And it was a beat up old car. I'm like, y'all just do not care when it's looking like that, huh? I mean, I know my car dirty and I'm getting my car washed on Sunday, but dang, y'all gotta treat me like that. I'm pretty sure if it was a BMW or something like that, you wouldn't pull up on me like that. But guys, I've always wanted a Jeep. There he is right there. For a line that 50 people is in front of him for. Girl. Period. Anyways, I gotta go because I'm trying to go over there. I'm trying to go over there.
Hi,
Say hello to the vlog.
Hi, vlog.
So we're gonna go. Wait,
back
1
again.
second. You can see my card? Alright, boom, perfect. Okay. Upstairs?
Okay. What's the lease we're paying for this? I think my design
Yours?
is literally 3.5.
Yeah, I was gonna say
literally
2,000.
short. It's not, yeah, even 2,000.
Yeah, I was gonna say 2.5 for yours.
Pay for it.
Guys, we're in which plaza this?
What? Lane.
Lane's plaza. Is it Lane's?
Yeah, because Lane start from there.
Oh,
I think it's Lane. Village.
the Village Plaza? Oh, and Lane stop right there. Okay. Guys, I can barely breathe. Got some cute clothing stores. Look at my gut. Oh my god. Ooh, look at the lingerie store. Alright guys, so Shoshana and I are in Half a Tree to get our nails fixed and done. And one lady tries to charge Sash. Pull up the picture. Well, no, pull it up. I'm not insert. Well, I'll insert the picture. She tries to charge Sash $4,000. You could have just did your hair with that money.
Literally $4,000.
And the
For
nails,
the simplest design.
the nails is like it's like that short. It's just a little like swoop and paint design. Like
She's just like, oh, she's charging for the shape. Like, so it matter if it's square or if it's box.
it's crazy.
Square, oval.
Crazy. Anyways, I'm in Half a Tree and I can't breathe. I can't be talking that much. But I'm gonna stay by
They get me high like you do, yeah. Ooh, never get over you until I find something new. They get me high like you do. Ooh, never get over you until I find something new. They get me high like you do.